Arduino Kid, and today I'm going to show you how to fade an LED with an Arduino Uno. Now before we get to the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Today I am using Tinkercad for this demonstration, so be sure to check out this template on the website. The link will be in the description below. So for this circuit we will need a breadboard, an Arduino, 3 wires, a resistor and an LED. First of all, we place the LED in the breadboard and connect the resistor to the cathode end of it. Next, we place the other end of the resistor into the negative output and put a wire on the anode and connecting it to the negative 9 pin mode. Next, we'll get the ground wire and put it to the negative output, and we'll use 5 volts respectively and put it into the positive. Now, for my code, we have initialize brightness, which equals 0. So we are using pin mode 9 as an output for this video. We have a void loop, which basically says we start the LED at a brightness of 0, going up to 255 in increments of 5. So we'll use pin mode 9 and brightness, which is 0. And then delay 30, and then we start it at 255 and go down to 0 in increments of negative 5, and again use analog write of 9 and brightness, which is 0. You delay it by 30 milliseconds, which is quite quick. So now we go to our Arduino software and we have inserted the code here. So next we just plug our Arduino in with the circuit already put in. We shall verify the sketch and just make sure you have used the right board and the right port, and once it is finished verifying, you can now upload it and your Arduino should start performing the fade. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like this video and comment what video you would like to see next. But most important of all, have a nice day and I'll see you later.